As seen previously, all different types of blocks define the VarTree structure. The VarTree can also contain variables and groups of variables. Variables are names with associated values. They allow us to create specific context environments for executions. The understanding of the VarTree is essential. Once mastered, the use of expression and variables are very useful to automate a large amount of processing graphs. Let's start to create a variable. Right-click on the root block and pick Add Variable. Rename this variable to Example. We can attribute a value of any kind, like an integer, a float, a string, a list, a dictionary. To create a variable group, pick Add Variable Group. Let's call it Software. Let's create more variables or variable groups inside. These variables can be used into other variables and also inside processing graphs. Let's create a variable called version in the group called Maya with the following expression. To know the result of a variable, just put the mouse over. All the results can be displayed if you check the Show Expression Results box. If you change the value of a variable, another variable can be affected. The variables created just below the root block are applied to the whole project. We can also create specific variables for each shot. Let's try to create the project path with the help of these blocks. Start creating a variable called path in the sequence and use the following expression. Then add a variable called path for the shot. This time we will configure it in append mode in order to get the closest result in the upper hierarchy. The append mode lets you add a value to a variable with the same name. You can see that the path variable was added to the shot 10. Inside the shot, we create a new variable called Maya version and we write software.maya.version. In order to use a variable in a group, you just need to write the group name and the variable name separated by a dot. If we duplicate our sequence, the variable will be updated automatically. Predefined variables are available as examples. The VarTree is very important in Curtis. Variables spread by following the block tree, from the root to a specific block. That means you can apply global variables to the project, but also specific variables to a sequence, to a shot, to a collection, to an element, or to a department.